like when already me hear the story. I was like, when you broke me heart. Jesus Christ. Me meet the girl in the pandemic, you know.
Yeah. Where? Online?
Yeah, on Instagram.
Alright, got you.
Me and her start talk. Me have a woman and things still, you know. Me and her start talk, you understand me? I put out a video about my life story and she like it and she said, yo, them wickedness, you go through. I say, yeah. Me and her start link and thing. Everything nice, you know. Every week me get my money and them thing, I no beg her, you know. Because I say, yo, that's my house my little thing, I no beg her, but she kind of buy fuck from her early. You know what them go style there? She started paying down because she started giving me some good piece of money as I look young with her. I said, Judge Christ.
Nice. Yeah?
Pound strong and nice.
Tell the girl them the pound nice.
Yeah,
It
nice.
It nice.
When she said nice, me help me and I said, Judge. I don't want no man from USA, man. Straight England, me there. Yeah. Yo. Told me deep with that woman there, man. Yeah. All the accent change, you know, boy. Yeah.
You put your English accent,
yeah,
man.
everything I say, yeah. You want some of this, yeah. You want some of this, yeah. That's something I did there, you know. Because I England woman me I talk to them, you know. Every week me nice, you know. Said the woman, come here, boy, and me drink up my black stallion, you know. And they say, yes. I'm going to mash up this, you know, boy. Now I throw him down wicked. And I say, I fall in love after I throw him down, you know. As a side man, I weak out. Mash up to blood clot. I say, me, oi. Fall in love deep, me I tell you that England woman.
Yeah? Where's she from?
What's she there? She live near to the Queen place there. I know when near stadium or something like that, she said to me. I don't know. You not tell me, come. When we jump the bar and go find him, you know, because I want to him roll, you know. When do me, you know? I say, I fall in love with the woman, you know, man. The woman come here, can't make a hotel as a little young ghetto youth, you know. 5 nights, me the hotel lie down, you know. Have me woman in my yard, you know. Tell me, say me sick and they don't sit down with my family, my country, you know. Lock up down a hotel, the woman. Come back again, woman, take big party for me and...
What?
Me I live life. And me say to Ross, you man come back now and say, babe, can you take me to the hairdresser? So me I say, hairdresser? So me carry a hairdresser at all, half a tree. Woman come on hairdresser now and the next day she says, babe, you know I'm going to spend some time with my family. I said, family? How we can get family in Jamaica from? So me say, all right. Put on my clothes the next morning, you know, me and her go bridging our carry me go Devon House, go meet our family.
Ice cream and them things.
Yeah. When we left out her yard, now she told me, babe, you know, I was thinking, I'm so emotional. I don't want you to come. I said, so wicked. Oh, you mean you don't want me to come? She said, babe, I'm going to get very emotional, yeah? And I said, God almighty, what is for me now? So I stay home. I take from the girl at Devon House. I don't hear back from him for about 3 days to Ross. Because the girl was Sunday. You girl to me, babe. Yeah. I'm say, yeah. She said, I'm at a hotel. I said, hotel? What the fuck is someone do a hotel? What should do a hotel now, God? I start, you know, mama man start kicking now, I start listening in the background, brother. Swear for my life, I not tell a lie, you know. Me hear in the background, me hear, I said, baby, what that? I'm here, man. I said, baby, what that? She said, baby, it's a TV. I said, TV? I said, baby, that sound like one cow. One cow.
In the country?
Country girl with her husband. Me know say girl married. The girl have husband out here. Man, I laugh, brother. Me say, you man tell me say she in a hotel. What's the man wonder which hotel she come here, cow in her background a ball. You man that country with her husband. Me say, I tell her this boy, me have to tell her.
She broke it.
Broke me heart. Some find out say woman have your husband, man. Soldier boy, you know. The boy say anyway, hold him and lick out my teeth them. Me say, Christ. And I didn't do nothing wrong. So from that, I realized, yo, boy. And then she go back a foreign and she linked me, say she's pregnant.
Yep.
Say, her husband baby, sir.
You sure? You have youth of farm?
I feel like I'm my baby that, you know. The girl come back and kidnap me, pick me sperm and go with him, man. I want prison, man. No, man. Yeah, kidnap me sperm, man. Yo, listen. She and her husband there for 9 years.
Yeah.
And she said her husband had tried to breed her all long.
Yeah.
Why has me come in the picture like 1 month now she breed? You don't feel like my baby?
Yeah, true.
Me have a prison him. Just give me the time, man. Want me pick him, man.
Yeah.
So that's I experience me with it. But I love English people
Yeah,
saying
man,
this.
you're ready, man. When you come, the links here, ready.
But
Yeah.
when I you talk there from Jamaica and Devrel, you know him?
Which part though?
You know, him doing thing on TikTok too, and they call him Devrel. Never saw a video they say a woman show him out nice snow. They youth there?
I'm not familiar. I don't think so, you know. I'm gonna check him out though.
Yeah,
You reckon I'm gonna check him out still?
Him the England side, man.
Yeah.
Say a woman family and beat him and did hammer one day. I don't know what him do, but them beat him.
No.
Alright. But when done, me show you.
Yeah, man. So boom. Gaffer.
Alright.
Manners and respect, you know.
Cool, man. You know what you got.
Every time.
Brawling.
Brawlings.
Yeah, man. We were talking again. We
Yeah.
say, yo, panty parrot and you.
Yeah.
Remember, you know. Panty parrot.
Panty parrot when I post it. Yo,
Yes.
you know what's going on, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me big up Gaffer and the crew.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
let me big up my sponsors again. Len You Getaways, my people, understand?
Yeah, man.
Everything, dog.
Want to do one more thing for you.
Got you.
Charma. Want the people them see you know.
Come,
I tell you, say,
got
me
you.
G this man. Me just,
Boom.
people want to check him out too, man.
Yeah.
And from the Gaffer, and the Charma.
Gaffer